Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. My name is Juliet. In this video I will be sharing with you how I cut an 8-piece skirt. So here I have 2.5 yards of fabric folded into four equal parts. So I'm marking the length of my skirt plus extra 2 inches of allowance. So my skirt length plus 2 inches allowance. I marked it here and I'm connecting with a ruler. So next I'm marking 4 inches from this point all the way down. 4 inches from the edge, and I'll connect with the ruler like so. So next off, up here, I'm going to mark the waist to knee measurement that I'm working with minus 2 inches. So the waist to knee I'm working with is 20. Subtract 2 from 20, you have 18, and that is what I marked there. Here I'm marking the nipple to nipple I'm working with divided by 2 plus extra half inch. So I have 9, nipple to nipple of 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5, plus half inches making it 5. So I connect that and I rule a line on the waist to knee point. Then from that point I'm going to rule a slant out to the 4 inches I marked in like so. So this is what we are having so far. So this is going to be the center piece. So one for the front and the other for the back. So the part for the back is going to have a zip. I'm marking an extra 1.5 inches here that is going to serve as the zip allowance for the back. And then from that knee point I just connect all the way back, as you can see. So on this other end now, on this other side, we're going to start from the down part now. So from this side, it's a lot similar. In fact, it's the same with how you mark a 6-piece skirt. I have a video on how to make a 6-piece skirt already on the channel. So what you do is divide your hip measurement by 4. Whatever you get as the answer, you subtract what you got for you used for your nipple to nipple without the allowance, the half inch allowance. Whatever you have left, you add your seam allowance 2 or 3 inches. And that is what you use on this side. So I marked 9 inches down, which is going to be for the hip line, and then 18 inches, which is for the knee line. So that is it. And then the other calculation is what we are getting this line from. Your hip divided by 4 minus the 4.5 we used on the center, plus extra 2 to 3 inches of seam allowance, and that is what you mark there. Then I connected with a slant down, and then from this side too with another slant. So on this other end now, we're going to come in by 1 inch on the knee line and then 1 inch on the waist line and connect to the hip line like so. Then from there we just slant it out. So check out my video on how to cut a 6-piece skirt. You understand how we got this hip side better. Next I am cutting out. So I'm going to cut this back side first. This extra 1.5 that we marked, I'm going to cut that one first before we'll trim for the front. And also you can use 3 yards if you want it a lot fuller. This was quite full too, so yeah, but you may want to use 3 yards if you're on the bigger side. And yeah, like that. So next I'm going to pick up 2 inches, not 2 inches, sorry, I'm going to pick up 2 pieces on this front side and then trim off that extra 1.5 I added for zip. So this one will be for the center front, while the part with the zip allowance will be for the center back. So that is it for cutting an 8-piece skirt. It's very simple. We have 4 pieces on this side. This is going to be on the hip side, all hip sides, and then 4 pieces for the center front and the center back, making it 8 pieces in total. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.